Today's reading is from the Daily Guides by Reverend Dr. Jim Lockard, as seen in the November 2024 Science of Mind magazine. Subscribe to scienceofmind.com. Abundance is Energy. Read by Morgan Ochieng. A change in consciousness is always a prerequisite to increased prosperity. Without it, you are just fundraising. A quote by Reverend Chris Michaels. In demonstrating conditions, the only inquiries we need to make are: do the things we want lend themselves to a constructive program? Do they express a more abundant life? Rob none, create no delusion, but instead, do they express a greater degree of livingness? If they do, then all the power in the universe must be behind them. A quote by Ernest Holmes from his book, The Science of Mind, page 142. Abundance is energy. As with any enabling energy, it is the nature of money to move, to flow. This is why money gains or loses value, how it is accumulated, and how one either attracts or repels it. Knowing the nature of money and how it works is essential for prosperity. Prosperity is the outward expression of abundance. Abundance is a sufficiency of enabling energies, and money is one such energy. Just as health is a term used to represent the flow of energies through one's body, the terms wealth, abundance, and prosperity represent the flow of money. The term poverty represents lack or stagnation of money. It is important to know your consciousness of money. Since you cannot directly access your subconscious belief systems, the best way to know about money is to see how it shows up in your life. Do you find it a constant struggle to make ends meet? Or is there enough that you really need to think about it? Your concern or lack of concern about money is a reflection of your consciousness. Changing consciousness requires both intention and attention. And practice, practice, practice. Create what you desire in your conscious imagination and repeat with feeling until you have a demonstration. That is the process. Affirmation. I accept that I have a positive relationship with the energy of money. What I need, I always have. I naturally attract whatever I require to live a fulfilling life and to help others as I desire.